Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm going to explain how to use the LTI external tool activity in Moodle. For doing this video tutorial, I'm going to use the version 2.7, and it's necessary that the LTI plugin was activated, and your Moodle admin must go to this page, the plugins overview, and activate the LTI. So if it's not activated for you, you need to require them to do it for you. Well, you need to know what is LTI. You can go to this page and read about it. Where to find collections of learning apps built on LTI? Well, I have two addresses. One is the edu apps or RG, and the next is this one. I'm going to use this one. You have a collection of different applications that all of them are built on LTI. For this particular example, I'm going to show you how to embed a backpack from OpenBadges. So I'm going to search for OpenBadges. OpenBadges is here, so I'm going to open this link to the OpenBadges application. You will see that there is a URL for the configuration of the LTI. So you need to copy this XML file, and we need to do a small trick to be able to read the information that is inside the XML. For example, if we do that, we can copy and paste the URL to the XML file. We can take out this address, the launch URL. So we need to take out this URL and to check if some extra fields are required. But for this example, it's not necessary. Only to take out this URL, and then you go to your own course in Moodle. You turn editing on as always, and I'm going to add an activity, external resource activity, as usual. I have to select this external tool. Then I click on add. I select a name. I write an activity name. For this case, for example, I'm going to write check your OpenBadges Backpack. I keep the external tool type because I'm going to provide a launch URL. Is here where you have to paste the address that we get from the XML file. So we paste this address. Sometimes it's necessary to complete the information with a consumer key or a share secret key, but in this case it's not necessary. It's enough with only paste the connect PHP, and that's all. Actually, we don't need to show more because it's enough with this. A launch container is where you have to decide if you like the backpack embed in your Moodle course, or you prefer to see it in a new window. But I'm going to keep the default. And in privacy, by default, there are three checkboxes. One is for deciding what are you going to share with your provider. Your provider in this case is OpenBadges, so I think that the minimum one is to share your email. Otherwise, OpenBadges won't be able to show your own backpack. but it's fine, so I'm going to keep the three, and if I click on save and display, we will see what happened. Well, it's trying to connect with my OpenBadges Backpack. Check that my address, well, it's my email address, is the address that is in my profile in my Moodle. These are my public badges. For example, I have this badge. Well, all my badges are displayed inside my course in Moodle, and well, this is all I have done. Clicking open, I need to go to one of these websites for checking different applications. Choose one, in this case OpenBadges. I need to copy the XML file. I need to open it to get the launch URL. It's necessary to check if the consumer key and the share secret key are provided, but for OpenBadges are not needed. We need to go back to our Moodle and add an activity as usual. Remember that you need to select the external tool, and then fill out the form, give a name, activity name, keep the external tool type as an automatic based on launch URL, provide the launch URL, is the same that we took out from the XML file. Well, you can decide the container if you prefer a new window or embed it in your Moodle course. The privacy keep the default, but the minimum for this case, I think, is your email. Save and display, and that's all. And this is the tutorial for this time. Thank you for watching.